You can see how refined our pigments are, and that's actually something that Germany spent a lot of investment in, is refining the pigments. Get a nice coverage on your roller, flows quite lovely. Push off any excess, and then what we're looking to do is use our nylon web to buff it in. We're not looking for a traditional way of applicating. Obviously, brushes and rollers would be too heavy for this application. The product has a coverage rate of 50 meters squared per litre. What's crucial to the application is anything that is left on the surface we want to remove, because once you use the lamp on it, it's fully cured and hardened into it. What we can do is turn this over. This is like laying off with a brush, really. We are just passing it over the surface. You want to be about 4 centimeters above the timber. One pass is enough. You feel it. Dry, it's hard, it's cured. You can see how it's beading up.
Yeah.
See how it retracts back in. So what we're getting between one coat and two is obviously a reduced pigmentation in our first coat, but it's also a flat matte finish. So what I'll do is I'll put a second coat on this side, which will increase the sheen, so we'll go up to satin level, and we'll also intensify the pigmentation. Looking for anything that we wouldn't be happy with once cured.
Yeah, that's very good. That is actually very impressive.